Hey guys, I wanted to introduce our new word study for this week. We have two new word families, and I'm going to go over each of the words and the pictures with you guys. I'm going to start with the first word family. It is I-C-K. Now we know the short I sound is I, and when you have a C and a K together, it just makes one sound K, which is kind of silly because C and K both make that sound. So when we look at this, our brains try to make us think it says ick, but actually when C and K are together, it just makes the one sound. So this is the word family ick, ick. And if you look at our header, you can see a boy and he has picked some flowers. So this is the picture that represents pick. And again, this is one of our headers. So we have pick for the ick family, okay? And then we have O-C-K. And just like with the I-C-K, again, when you have C-K together, it just makes the one K sound. So O-C-K, with that short O sound, is ok, ok. And the picture for the header, the word in the picture for the header for ok is lock. Ok, lock. All right, so this week, all of our words will either be ending with ick, I-C-K, or ok, O-C-K. And now I'm going to go over all of our ick words. All right, our first word is L-I-C-K. So again, these are ick words. So I'm going to look at the first sound I see, and I see an L, and that makes the ul sound. And then there are no other letters there, so it's ul, ick. What is that word? Ul, ick, lick. And this is the picture that represents lick. Ul, ick, lick. You can lick a lollipop or a popsicle or ice cream. Lick. You lick with your tongue. All right. The next word is S-I-C-K. So I see an S, which I know makes the S sound. So this word is ick. Ick. What word is that? Sick. And it is showing you a boy with a red thermometer. He is sick. You're sick when you are not feeling well. Another word for sick is ill. All right, moving on. Again, we've done lick and sick. Now moving on, I see that this word is a little bit longer than the other words. And I notice that it has two letters before ick. It has a CH. And CH is a consonant digraph that makes the ch sound. So if we put ch and ick together, ch-ick, it's chick. Chick. A chick is a baby chicken. Chick. All right, so we've done lick, sick, chick. Moving on to our last one, I see K, I see K. So I know that K makes the k sound. So it's k-ick, k-ick, kick. And this is the picture that represents kick. When you kick something, you are using your leg, you're swinging your leg, and you are hitting something with your foot. That is what it means to kick. Usually you kick a ball. All right, so for our ick words, our header was pick, like to pick flowers. We have lick, like to lick a lollipop. We have sick, so when you're not feeling well, you're sick. We have chick, a baby animal. And we have kick, when you hit something with your foot. All right, so moving on to our awk words. Now I've already gone over our header. We said our header was lock. So I'm going to move on to my next word, R-O-C-K. Now the R makes the sound. And all of these words are going to end in ok. Ok, ok. Rock. Rock. A rock is something you might find in your yard or near a pond or really anywhere outside. Rock. All right, moving on to our next word, we have S-O-C-K. S makes the S sound. Sock. 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 A sock is a piece of clothing that you wear on your feet. Sock. And I want you guys to notice, and like I've mentioned before, when you're doing your sort, you don't just want to look at the beginning letter, because I see that sick and sock both begin with the S sound. Okay, the S at the beginning. So if you look and see and say, I see an S, it has to be this word. That it could be either one. You have to look at the entire word, not just the beginning. You have to look at the word family too. All right, down to the next one. We have B-L. So I have two letters here before my ok. I have B-L. I know B says B and L says ul. In fact, if I cover up that B, I see L-O-C-K, which is the same as what's in our header. So if I cover that B, that says lock. Lock. But there's a B at the beginning with the L. So instead of lock, it's block. Block. The BL blend says bull. Say that with me. Bull. Okay, bullock. Block. A block is something that you build with. Block. All right, and to our last one, if I can get this piece in, there we go. Our last one is another one with a blend, so it's going to have two letters at the beginning. I see, you know what? I'm noticing something. If I cover that first letter, what do you see? I see L-O-C-K again. And we know that's lock. Just like if we covered it up on the block, covered the B up, I see lock, just like the header. Okay, so I know this word is going to have lock in it, but at the beginning, I see a C, which makes the K sound. So it's K, lock, clock. Clock. A clock is something that you use to tell time. Clock. Clock. All right, so for our awk family, we have lock, rock, sock, block, and clock. All right, so practice these this week. Write them, create the pictures for them, sort them, and you could even play memory. You don't have to just do the activities that are on the calendar. You can do a matching game. You could kind of play Go Fish with it. All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions, let me know. Have fun with your ick and awk words this week. Bye.